Bwabadde yeetabye ku mukolo gw'okutikkira bannamagye bamaze emyezi 9 nga babangulwa olulimi olufalansa, omubaka wa Bufalansa wano mu ggwanga Uganda, Virginia Leroy, ategeeza nti bannamagye okuyiga olulimi olufalansa kyakubayamba okugonza empuliziganya wakati waabwe n'Abafalansa.
Reminds us that the Francophonie is not just a language. It is also a space for respect, for dialogue, culture, peace, and we'll see of opportunity.
Omubaka Virginia ayogedde ku makulu g'Olufalansa mu kulukosa okwetoola ensi yonna.
French language does not only belong to France. It belongs to all those who speak French and enrich it, play with it every day. And that's why countries across the 5 continents are members of the Francophonie movement.
Kano Emmanuel Muhoozi ng'akiikiridde avunaanyizibwa ku mbeera z'abasirikale ba UPDF mu kwogera ku asiimye eggwanga erya Bufalansa olw'enkolagana ennungi n'eggwanga erya Uganda.
Enhances peacekeeping effectiveness and also it deepens international understanding. To you, the graduates, congratulations on your discipline and commitment during your course. You have added values, skill that will not only benefit your careers, but also enhance the operational capability of the UPDF, especially in multinational engagements.
Kano Muhoozi ayogedde ku bimu ku bikwata ku lulimi Olufalansa n'ebirungi byalwo byazudde era n'asaba abatikkiddwa okulukosa obulungi lubagase.
In cooperating with France in fields of operational training, especially in the mountains, and we thank you so much. We also appreciate the, can we say, instructors or professors or teachers, whatever, and those who made this program possible. Your dedication has contributed greatly to your success.
Y'omukwanaganya w'eggye lya Uganda n'erya Bufalansa Lieutenant Colonel Sebastien Baga alambuludde ku nkolagana ya Uganda ne Bufalansa n'okusingira ddala mu by'okwerinda.
France and Uganda maintain a partnership relationship based on shared values and a common desire to promote peace and security in Africa. Our military cooperation is rich and diverse. It's embodied through programs such as mountain cooperation, combat preparation of units engaged with AWSOME to fight against Al-Shabaab in Somalia, and French course taught at the Junior College Staff College in Jinja.
Omu ku batikkiddwa Amon Senkwali ayogedde ku mugaso gw'olulimi Olufalansa ng'ategeeza nti lubanguyiza empulizigana n'amawanga amalala awatayogerwa Luzungu.
Is part of welfare of a soldier. If we train in different competences, let it be combat, let it be whatever type of training. Also here in languages, it enables us to operate with ease, especially when we are collaborating and operating with different forces on the planet.
Abatikkiddwa basuubiza okukozesa olulimi luno okulanga bakuma emirembe wamu n'okunyweza ebyokwerinda.
For future tasks, let me say now in UPDF they can deploy you somewhere where you are supposed to use the language. I take this opportunity to thank the UPDF leadership and our CDF, General Muhoozi. Merci beaucoup, monsieur, for the opportunity.
Neus Muhendo yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KSTV Agalera.